开始了。First, we put the rotary attachment on the table and fix both sides, and left another side. First step, we need to make the rotary attachment in the same line with the spindle. The second step, we need to use the one side of the rotary attachment and make the spindles in the same level. Use hand. After make the spindle cutters and the rotary attachment in the same level, then we fix another side of the rotary attachment. Now the third step is to open the power. Then you will see the rotary attachment will move. Then put the working pieces on the rotary attachment. In standard, we put the rotary attachment with the working pieces in the middle. You will see there is a round there. Before using the rotary attachment, we need to set up the data of this one because it is different of the working pieces. So we will offer you the formula to calculate the data. Okay. After that, we can start work. orientation of the connector. The white one is for the rotary attachment. Now the sample is finished. Let's look. This is a Ruiджи CNC rotor with rotary attachment. Okay, finished.